Hi, welcome to Zayzay Line. Today we are gonna be making this Harry Potter pillow. So I bought a fabric and then I made this insert. This is done on the embroidery machine, and you can buy this design on my website if you do have one. So let's get started. I'm just gonna show you what you are gonna need. So this is the pillow. I bought this one in Jisk. You will need zipper, and it depends how big your pillow is. So you will need approximately the same size as your pillow, and then the fabric. So this one is going to be slightly different. So I have the insert. So this is the front, and it consists of three separate parts. So we have this one, we have this middle part that is done on the embroidery. You don't have to do this, you can skip it, and you can just have two identical pieces. And then this, I just wanted to make it a little more exciting. Because this is a Harry Potter fabric, I just wanted to, make it a little more special, a little bit more personal. This pillow is for my kids. They are into Harry Potter now, so I thought it would be a very nice present for them. So let's see what we are going to do first. First, we are going to work on this front panel. So we will put this on the side, and so they will have to end up like this. So I will put the three pieces together. So this, you always want to put the right sides together, and we are gonna stitch right here. Then when we do that part, we will flip it open and we will do the bottom part. So we will stitch again this side, this bottom part, and then we will open it. So it's gonna look like this. So I'm gonna go to the sewing machine and I will be right back. We have to attach the zipper. So make sure that you put both pieces so they have the directional print the same way. So you don't have one upside down and one facing up. And now what we are gonna do, we will attach the zipper on the bottom, not the top, because when the pillow is sitting up, you will see the zipper on the top. It's not gonna look pretty, so we will do it on the bottom. And so we are gonna do a little prep work. So we will take the iron and we will just iron about 1/2 inch, and we will fold it down. That's where the zipper is gonna be sitting. So let's do a little bit of ironing, just about 1/2 inch. Just make it flat so it's easier later on. And I will show you the next step after we do this. Okay, so about that. And it's on the bottom. It's one piece. Now let's do the other piece. And you are folding it inside. Okay. Okay. So now we will put these two together. So again, we will put them let's put this on the side so we don't burn our hands. And we will put them again, the right sides together, wrong sides up. And now we are gonna take the bottom. So the bottom, we fold it, and we will put them together like this This one is a little bigger, that's okay. And we will sew about 3 inches. So we are gonna do a little seam here, and the same thing on the other side. We will open it up and put the folded sides together, and about 3 inches on this side, so on both sides. And I will take it to the sewing machine. I'll be right back. So the sides are done. So we did a few inches on both sides, and this is how it looks like. So let's press it again, just so we have a good guideline where to put the zipper. Okay, and now let's open it up. So this is how it's supposed to look like. So there is a little opening in there, and that's where we will insert the zipper. So let's flip it around. Let's secure it on this side. And the other side. Okay, now we will take it to the sewing machine, and we will go around like this, like a box. When you go around the zipper on the sides, go a few times back and forth just to secure it in place properly. And I will be right back when the zipper is in. Okay, so we are back. Now the zipper is sewn in, and really we have to do one more thing. We are almost done. This is how it looks on the other side. So you can open it and put the pillow inside and then close it. And with this part, keep it open, because then later on we have to flip it over. Again, put the good sides together, the wrong side facing up. And all we have to do now is lining up, and we will sew on both sides. So we are gonna go actually on all 3 sides, there and back. So we will just do a top stitch. Okay, so this part is done. We went around, we kept the zipper open so we can flip it inside out, and let's just push the corners out. You can just use your fingers or a pen or something. And if you want, you can give it one last press. And this is the final project. Okay, let's just give it a nice press so it looks nice before we actually put the pillow in. Okay, one last thing, and that's the pillow we have to put in. So let's see how it's gonna look like. Just in case you wonder, Muggleborn is a quote from Harry Potter. Whoever watched Harry Potter or read the books will know what that means. it up. And there we have it. That's one, that's two.